Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we're making the world smarter, happier, and richer through our premium investing solutions and market analysis. Today, we're excited to share some incredible news for Bitcoin investors. Recently, Vice President Vance delivered a keynote speech at the Bitcoin 2025 conference in Las Vegas, outlining his vision for crypto's future and sharing insights into how the White House is thinking about Bitcoin right now. As one of the top political leaders embracing crypto, what should Bitcoin investors expect from this shift? The Trump administration's pro-crypto regulatory approach has set a new standard, and the White House is building on that momentum. Just 5 months ago, they took significant steps to make the Securities and Exchange Commission more crypto-friendly, created the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, and are now moving forward with legislation for dollar-pegged stablecoins. This news is music to the ears of Bitcoin investors. With the government's support, innovation, economic growth, and wealth creation become more achievable for everyday Americans. As Vice President Vance pointed out, millions of Americans already own Bitcoin, making any moves that help it grow even more promising. But what drives the White House's focus on Bitcoin? It's not just about creating a favorable environment. It's also about leveraging Bitcoin as a strategic asset to gain competitive advantage over countries like China. The U.S. sees Bitcoin as an embodiment of American values, innovation, entrepreneurship, freedom, and lack of censorship. The Strategic Bitcoin Reserve is already in place, but now the government aims to codify it in law. This move will establish clear guidelines for institutions to join the crypto market without any excuses. It's a sign that the White House believes in Bitcoin's long-term potential and its ability to boost the economy. Now, some might argue about potential conflicts of interest among politicians with ties to cryptocurrency. However, this is where things get interesting. Even if there's no wrongdoing involved, it highlights the need for tighter safeguards to prevent personal enrichment through policy decisions. In any case, one thing is clear. The White House has made its support for Bitcoin known, and crypto investors can finally breathe a sigh of relief about regulatory overreach. With this shift, sky-high price forecasts for Bitcoin don't seem so unattainable anymore. If you're willing to buy and hold for the long haul, investing in Bitcoin right now might be the best way to turbocharge your portfolio's performance for years to come. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've got you covered with our premium services, offering stock recommendations, portfolio guidance, and more. That's all from us here at Bitcoin Bulletin.